Our office is joyous, full of love, and performs at the highest levels. Together we grow and glow in the sunshine of camaraderie. We face challenges with intelligence, discipline, and enthusiasm, all with the goal of redefining what is possible. We listen to music as Jock teaches Morgan and Kinley about artists and bands from the 70s and 80s. We fling chickens. No one is safe from this ongoing tournament of innocence. We are serious about our duties and applaud accomplishments, which are many and often. We support and lean on each other as a family that loves each other, that learns from each other, that respects each other, that is there for each other. All who enter our office feel the love, the special energy, the welcome magic. Magic is what we create every day, together, redefining as we grow. We are one team. We are Redeemers Group. Life is short. Work somewhere great.